All right, so today I'm going to share with you exactly how this online business works. I'm actually going to walk you step by step through the complete system so you have a complete understanding how the business works. And you guys, I want you to really understand the timing that you're looking at this is huge. Right now, more people are going online, more people are spending time online and making decisions because of what they've seen online. Some people are out there looking to improve a skill. That's what I was when I found this. I was looking to just become better. And some people are looking to improve a skill and also have an extra income or start an online business. And some people are looking to just make 6 figures from home and have complete freedom. Whatever that reason is, we have the solution, and it is in the e-learning industry, which is one of the fastest growing industries.
A little bit about the 6-Figure Blueprint. 6-Figure Blueprint is a program that allows you to learn how to do digital marketing, and it gives you step-by-step instructions. It's very simple to follow. You get a video, you watch the video, you follow the steps in the video. It's really easy to implement. So it helps you learn step by step. Another great thing about it is when you purchase the blueprint from my mentor or any of the people in our community, you get added to our community, which is full of amazingly supportive people with a lot of knowledge that will help you. Our mentor has built this community and added so much additional training. And right now we're even doing a campaign to boost ourselves, and she's giving us videos every single day with step-by-step instructions of how to help our business grow.
So let's just start from the very beginning. What do? What we do is first you purchase a digital platform. And in this digital platform, it gives you everything you need to improve your skill and become your own boss online. This is just an example of what the training looks like, and I love it because as you can see, they're very short videos, and you implement what you learn, but it literally walks you through step by step. Now, once you purchase this, you start going through the training. Your very first step is you set up your own website. It usually comes back within 24 hours, and this is what the website looks like. And this is where you get daily pay. People go through your website, they check it out. If they're interested, great. They go ahead and they get started. So they have their own digital platform as well.
You know, the opportunity presented itself for me while I was traveling, still busy. I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and lock in my spot, right? Literally, before I even got my website back, I had persons waiting on me ready to get started, right? So in my first week, I'll say it's less than a week, maybe in about 6 days apart, I was able to generate $1,200 using this blueprint, all right? Fast forward, because times have changed so much. Less than 2 weeks in the company, picking up my momentum, and about my 3rd week, I literally generated almost $3,000 in 1 day. Now listen, and I'm blown away by this. I'm having fun. It's not overpowering. I get to do this when I want to put in the effort to go the extra mile, and it's absolutely amazing. The community, love being a part of the community. So many amazing people, the great teaching, the support. If you are on the fence, borrow my belief, all right? Borrow my belief, and you say yes to this amazing opportunity, all right?
So your next question, I'm sure, is like, how do we find people that are interested? And this is what I love, because in my opinion, this is a rejection-free business. Why? Because we let the automations do the work for you. The automations will eliminate the people not interested and will attract the people that are interested. So for example, I am going to give you my system that I've set up for you, and it's at no cost to you. Here is the system I'm talking about. And you can go in and change this picture. You can go in and change what it says. So what happens is when somebody sees this and they want information, they'll put their email in, and they will become part of your email automations, which I give you that as well, and I'm going to share that with you. So you might be asking, well, how do people find this page? Great question. Here's how they find this page. Let's go back to your digital platform, right? And here it is. So in this digital platform, they show you 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus ad images. So you go here and you click on these images and they share with you what to say, like literally what to say, and go the information with you. Okay, so what do you do with these ads? Okay, go down here and they show you where to post these ads for free. You guys, I don't spend any money on advertising. So what I do is I take these ads and I actually have a little notebook that I keep track of on my computer. The copies that get the best engagement are the ones I'll keep on posting. So every morning I get up and I copy and paste these ads to these websites for free. Here's why you do it every day, because you always want to be on top of these websites. There is tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of people that go to these websites every day looking for what you have to offer. Some are looking to improve that skill. Some are looking to create an extra income. Some are looking to completely replace their income from home. You have the solution with this blueprint right here. It provides a solution for everybody. Now, if you want to get out there even more, we do have this amazing training in this Facebook Mastery. Look, 100 Facebook groups, they actually show you in here how to post in Facebook groups, even give you the Facebook groups to post in to attract people to you. Now, I've also went through and done the TikTok marketing training, and all I'm gonna say is, oh my gosh, I'm literally making a six-figure income from TikTok. And I've only had my TikTok page for a month. And I'm already making 300 a day, 350 a day, 300 a day, 300 a day, 600 a day, 650 a day, 450 a day. I'm blown away, all from TikTok.
Hi, my name is Regina. I joined because I love the fact that I have my freedom back. I choose to work only about 2 hours a day, and I have a business that is out there working for me 24/7, so I can be doing the things that I want to with my family. I'm a mother of one, he's 3 years old, and I wanted something that would allow me to enjoy my time with him in his first years of life. I know so many mothers that this is their main concern. I want them to know that I feel confident and excited because this blueprint has allowed me to have the time I need to spend with my family. I love this community so much.
So now what I do on a daily basis is, one, I will get up in the morning and I will do my little post here. I'll spend about 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'll create content for TikTok, and then I'll answer my emails, and I'm done for the day. The automations are working for me. So let's go back to those automations, right, that I shared with you. Here's the page that you get. What happens when they click on here? So, because I'm just showing it all to you. Look at this. I've received 219 people in the last 30 days. You're looking at my website. I'm showing it all to you. I'm giving you this whole system. So in the last 30 days, I've had 219 people online raise their hand and say, I want to know more. So check this out. I'm going to show you my email automations. So here is my automations that they go through. You guys, I set this up one time and I share these with you. So all you have to do is go in and edit it and put your information and take mine out. Because why would you change it if it's already proven to work? Look at my open rates, 55%, 43%, it goes on and on. So people are going through these. So the moment they opt into here, they're on these automations. Immediately they receive this one. A day later, they receive this one. 6 hours later, this one. A day later, and they receive these. And then what happens is people start learning more about the business. That's why it's rejection free, because some of them are going to go through this and be like, nope, it's not for me, and they're going to opt out and not get any more emails. Some people are going to go through it and be like, oh my gosh, I can see myself doing this. Wow, this makes sense.
Invest in this program. You will get a roadmap that will actually, imagine you have a GPS that says the roadmap to the pot of gold, and the pot of gold is daily pay. And that opens the doors to 24/7 freedom. You get to live life in your own terms. Would you like that? To live life on your own terms and to plan your work around your life versus your life around your work? That's what we have. And you get 100% commission. You get instantly paid. So you're interested to invest in this because the investment is minimal. So let's go in together and discover the power of 24/7.
All because people found this page. They found this page from TikTok or from YouTube or from the ads that I posted. That's it. See, we have a hard time wrapping our head around this because of the simplicity of it. So here is just all I'm gonna say right now is if you're coachable, if you're willing to follow a system, and the system is step 1, introduction. Let's get set up. Ready? Become part of these groups. Watch the 6-minute video. That's it. And then implement what it says. And then step 2, while you're waiting for your website to be set up, all you gotta do is just keep on going through these trainings. The moment you get your website back, which is in 24 to 48 hours, you just start posting ads to these proven websites. And if you're like me and you wanna even go crazier, start posting in groups. They tell you what to say. Remember, I'm sharing with you. They show you exactly what to say. It's proven. Or if you want to be like me and even get a little bit more aggressive in a good way, pick one of these. Maybe you want to do Instagram. Maybe you want to do YouTube. Maybe you want to do TikTok. I'm blown away with TikTok. Like, completely blown away. So the opportunity, you guys, is huge right now. People are looking, and this e-learning industry is right now, it's right at $1 billion a day industry. It's going to grow to like a $3 billion by 2025. You have the opportunity to be part of it when it's $1 billion. Imagine when it's $3 billion, where you're going to be. People are looking for a blueprint like this. They're looking for something that is simple and easy to do from home and not have to worry about getting on the phone or handling rejection. I don't. By the time, if I ever have to get on the phone with somebody, it's because they're ready to get this blueprint. And they just have a few questions. But you know what's even great is, let me show you this. When you get started, you get part of this coaching group, plus you get this Facebook proof group. And then when people go through our email automations, the proof group is in there. So out of all the people that I've signed, I've only got on the phone with 3. Is that not crazy? 3 out of all of the people that have got started. And so here's my favorite thing is the results that are coming in. People are loving it. People are making money. They're enjoying this 300 a day 6-figure blueprint. So if I can do it, and if they can do it, so can you. If you're coachable and consistent and are willing to put in 2 hours a day on a consistent basis, hey, that still gives you 22 hours in your day to do what you want, while your phone can go ding and payments can come in.
Hey you guys, so my name is Kia and I ran across the 6-figure blueprint through social media, and it has been a complete game changer for me. So what I love the most about this blueprint is the fact that it is beginner friendly and they teach you how to do everything step by step. So if you're anything like me and really new to this blueprint is an amazing blueprint. I have learned everything from how to market myself on social media, how to set up my funnel and my email campaigns and put them on autopilot so it's always out there working for me, and I can continue to learn while I'm earning. Also, the community has just been amazing. There are so many people out there that's willing to help you and see you succeed within your business, and they give you so much inspiration and drive and motivation to do well within your business, and it's overall just been a truly amazing experience, and I'm just loving it.
If you love helping people, this is a great business, and the timing could not be any better. Imagine if you started getting daily pay coming in on a consistent basis. Just remember, excuses will always be there, but opportunities won't. And this is an amazing online business opportunity where you can improve a skill and you can create an income that can truly impact your family's life.
Since I've joined, the one thing I really love is the community, because everybody is so willing to help one another, jump in there and answer questions, and just be support and encouragement for each other. And I'm looking forward to what's to come with this. I'm excited, and I hope that you decide to take the next step, because I think this is a great opportunity for you.